Yo, I just spent the last 10 minutes hooking up Gage's van to spin around toilet paper like the Venus shaving cream commercial or whatever. Check it out. Alright. As you can see, we got different lengths tied up to the fan. And we're about to turn it on. Gage is going to be recording from the inside of it. Say hi, Gage. Here we go. Flip the switch. Here we go. Not what I thought it was going to do.
Not working.
It's not working. It's a tornado. We got a tornado in your room.
I always got a tornado in my room.
Alright, we're going to turn this off. And we're going to separate this and try again. Alright, we shorten the length. So here we go. Go. Well, it's too high. None of us are that tall.